So when you twine with two colors, you're going to cut two strands, of course, and temporarily tie them in a knot. And then you're just going to twine across just like we did on the edge-to-edge bars. And that you're going to undo when you finish and just weave the ends back in. So you're just going to go across just like we were doing on the edge-to-edge bars. And this is a great way to learn to do the technique because your mistakes show up rapidly. So you can see we have a green, red, green, red, green, red, green. So if you make a mistake, it's pretty obvious. So you can kind of tell when you're doing this now with the two colors that they are actually going in at an angle this way. So when we get to the end over here, you want to make sure they both go around that outside warp. The one that's back comes forward, and the one that's forward goes around that. And then the same technique when we did the edge-to-edge bars, instead of going over the top like we were, we go underneath. So by going under, it gives you your diagonal going in the same direction. And you'll see. Also, because we have an odd number of warps, the colors automatically change. So the green is now over the red, and the red is over the green. So this is just like the edge-to-edge bars, but with two different colors. So you can see how they're alternating green, red. So I'm going to do a few rows just so you can see how this looks, and then I'll catch you when I'm about finished. So now you can see that once I have a few rows on here, how it forms this definite diagonal. So that's how you get the two-color diagonal. But remember, just like the center bar, when you go left to right, you go over the top. You're turning away from you. When you go right to left, you're going on the underside, or you're turning towards you. So now I've been asked, well, what if I want the same color over that warp? What if I don't want alternating colors? What if I want the same color? It's very easy. All you do when you get to the end over here, instead of doing the half turn around, you're going to do a full turn. So you do a full turn here, and the blue goes back, and the red comes forward. So that now, I'm going to pull this a little bit, there. Now you can see how you're getting the same color over the same warp. So it's just a matter of whether you do a half twist at the edge or a full twist. That's the way you can vary your designs. So you might want to do a little block of color this way, and then if you do a half twist at the edge, it would move your little block of color over one warp. So however you do it, it's your preference. You might want to try it both ways, see what you like. So you can see how with two colors, it's going over the same warp as long as you give a full twist at the outside edge. So remember, when you get to the outside over here, instead of the back going forward and the forward going around, you have to do a full twist so that that back color still goes back. And then again, you're going under. Pull it nice and firm at the outside edge so it looks nice and neat. So that's how you do the two colors. do all kinds of designs with two colors. One of my favorite techniques. A couple more. So there you can see how it's beginning to show the same kind of like striped look. So by doing a half turn at the edge, you get a diagonal. By doing a full turn at the edge, you get a stripe. So I suggest you just experiment with it a little bit and see what you like. Great fun. So thank you for watching.